Hey there, welcome. This is Wendy. I'm so excited you're here with me today. Today I'm going to be showing off the customer thank you cards I'm sending out for the people that ordered from me in the month of July. We're using the All Wired Up and Check You Out stamp set. You may notice I've used this Check You Out stamp set quite a bit. I really love it. And then we're also using this All Wired Up background stamp, which I absolutely love. My favorite way to use a background stamp is to put it in the Stamparatus and use the basic gray, or any ink, sorry, but use it in the Stamparatus because it can be stamped multiple times so that you never have to worry about messing up or not getting all the coverage you want when you stamp. So I love, love, love using the Stamparatus with a background stamp. Okay, so I use soft seafoam cardstock and it's cut at 4 by 5 1/4, and then I'm using Whisper White cut at 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, or it could be 4 1/4 by 11, just depending on which you prefer. I stamped in basic gray ink, the All Wired Up, and I'm going to layer this down on the card base. Then I have some smaller pieces cut at 3 by 4. I've got a piece of basic gray cut at 3 by 4, Melon Mambo cut at 2 3/4 by 3 3/4, and then that little tag piece there I think is cut at like 2 by 2 1/2. I kind of just used a scrap if I'm being totally honest. But this, and then we're going to use twine to wrap around here, and we're going to do some stamping. So every month I like to send a thank you card in the mail to my customers for placing orders with me. I always super appreciate people placing orders with me. It's something that it's what makes my business run. It's how I make money and earn the awesome trips that I get to go on with Stampin' Up. And every time I get an order, I feel like it's a personal thank you for the content that I provide on a weekly basis. So it means a lot to me. So I always want to share that joy and give back to anybody who purchases from me. There are some really awesome promotions happening in the month of July. I haven't really talked about this very much because I have had to pre-record so many videos. So you haven't really heard about it in my videos, and that's a bummer, but I'm going to talk about it here. July 1st through the 31st, you can, anytime you place a $50 order or more, you're going to get a $5 coupon for every 50 you spend, and then that $5 coupon can be used in the month of August. You do want to make sure when you place the order that you use a good email address, because Stampin' Up! Is going to email the coupons to you. So you want to make sure whatever email address you use when you place your order is an email address that you receive email at regularly. Okay, we're stamping the little library card in basic gray, and then the thank you sentiment in Melon Mambo. And then the other promotion that's going on is the extra promotion, where if you purchase the Stampin' Up! Starter kit for $99, you get to choose $155 in product to put in the starter kit. So you're basically getting like $56 in free product. Plus you are going to get a $10 coupon the following month to spend. So it's really like getting $66 free, because you're going to get a $10 off coupon for the next order, or the order for the next month. It's not the next order, but the following month you'll receive a coupon that you can redeem, and that coupon's good all the way through October 31st. But here's the cool thing. When you purchase the starter kit, you become a demonstrator. And I know a lot of people think being a demonstrator means that you have to run workshops and hold classes and all that, but you don't. I have most of my team members are what I call a hobby demonstrator, where they just purchase their own product at a 20% discount. So you get to be part of my awesome Facebook group with my team, and you also get that 20% discount, and you can pre-order from the holiday catalog in the month of August. So if you sign up now, purchase that starter kit now, and there's links below this video to do that, in August you'll be able to get that $10 coupon and place your pre-order in the holiday catalog. So you'll get holiday product before anybody else, which is always good. I love being able to get my holiday product as soon as possible, because I like to make lots of Christmas cards, and it takes me a few months to do that. So if you're interested and you have questions, please feel free to reach out. Links are in the description below this video on how to do all the different things that I've mentioned today. And I hope you really love this card. If you ordered from me, you're going to get one in the mail. Click on either one of the videos that you see here to purchase to watch them. To purchase from me, go to shoploveandstampin.com. To check out becoming a demonstrator and purchasing the kit, there's a link below the video. Subscribe to my channel by clicking the circle with my face. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. Bye.